Welcome back, guys. Now, Tgi Fridays, new mozzarella corn dog, street food style. Now, can't remember the price of these. I'll have to look it up and put it on the screen up here. But yeah, they're from Iceland Food Warehouse in Hyde. So yeah, basically you put them in air fryer, 180 degrees for 11 to 12 minutes. I love the air fryer. I mean, at first I was like, I'm not spending that much on a Ninja. And then wife, yeah, just did it. And yeah, I won't look back. She was right. Hate to say it, but the wife was right. Air fryers are absolutely bang on for these. Especially the Ninja. I have bought cheap before in the past. Not a patch on the Ninja. Don't go cheap, just go Ninja. So, Ninja, I'm endorsing you. If you want to send me the latest models, you're more than welcome to. And with 500 and odd followers, you know, we'll see things cooked in it. Right, so yeah, so here it is inside. That's it uncooked. Now by the powers in me. Boom. Oh, wow. Check that out. Done. Right, so here we are. £4.75. You get 4 in a pack. Been on website because I couldn't remember. Oh, this is going to be a tummy tickler. Is that a batty trickler? That cheese pull. Cheese on that is lovely. It's like on what you put on a decent cheese on toast. Now the coating. That coating's lovely. Got a lovely sweetness to it, I think. These are exceptional. I'm just going to drop it now. These are a fat man's wet dream. Absolute 5 out of 5. Top marks. Oh. You also at them with a sweet chili dip. Fire. Absolute fire. Guys, £4.75 for 4. Works out at around what? £1.20 each, call it, yeah. £1.18, whatever, yeah. They're absolutely tasty as out. I'll pay it again all day long. I love the cheese, but then the coating just takes it levels. That is really, really tasty. So guys, if you haven't already tried it, get your hand down to Iceland.